Welcome. This video will describe the new stock automation option for hole machining cycles, now available in ESPRIT Release 4.1. For enhanced automation and simpler programming, hole making cycles are now part of the extensive suite of stock-aware cycles available in ESPRIT. This part was initially programmed with the drilling cycles before the pocketing cycles. To accommodate this, the starting depth for each hole was programmed to start the feed at an appropriate distance from the stock. To save wear on drills, it has been decided to machine the holes after the pockets have been finished. Reordering operations in ESPRIT is simple. However, there is now wasted feed motion because the starting depths for the holes are still set above where the stock used to be. It is possible to reprogram the starting depths for each hole. However, ESPRIT 4.1 now also has the option to use the stock to define the starting depth. With Use Previous Stock set to starting depth, ESPRIT now starts the drilling cycles at depths appropriate to the stock at the time of the operation. If the drilling cycles are again moved to the beginning of the program, ESPRIT automatically sets the appropriate starting depth. Thank you for watching this ESPRIT product feature video. For more information about this and other new features in ESPRIT, refer to the release bulletin and product help.